Children, in today's class, let's learn about the sounds of the alphabets. You all know there are 26 letters in English, right children? From A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F till Z, whatever we tell is the name of the letter. Now let's see what these letters sounds. Okay children, that is called phonics. Now let's see the phonic sounds of the letters A to Z. Let's begin now. A sounds A, B sounds B, C sounds K, D sounds D, E sounds E, F sounds F, G sounds G, H sounds H, I sounds E, J sounds J, K sounds K, L sounds L, M sounds M, N sounds N, O sounds O, P sounds P, Q sounds Q, R sounds R, S sounds S, T sounds T, U sounds A, V sounds V, W sounds W, X sounds X, Y sounds Y, Z sounds Z. So with this we have learned the sounds of the letters. Now you all know there are 5 vowels. Which are the 5 vowels children? A, E, I, O and U. Apart from these letters, they are called as consonants. A, E, I, O, U are the vowels and the remaining letters are called consonants. Now let's read the words related to letter A. Sounds of A in page number 13 in Step Up and Read book. Okay children? Yes, let's begin. Mat, fan, rat, bat, man, tap, cat, van, jam, bag, cap, map. So now we have read the letters related to A. Now let's see the phonic drill rhyming words. Rhyming words are those words which have the same ending. Now in 80 words we have a few rhyming words. In AM we have a few. Like that only in all the letters we have the same ending. So those words are called as rhyming words. Now let's see the words related to the rhyming words. Okay children? Now let's see AT. K at cat, F at fat, R at rat, S at sat. Am, 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 ham, pam, jam, an, can, fan, man, pan. Next, app, cap, tap, map, lap. Add, bad, D a d dad, h a d had, m a d mad. Next a g ag, b a g bag, l a g lag, m a g nag, ch a g tag. As, 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 has, as, gas. So we know a few rhyming words. Now let's see special words. Here you can see 3 letters, but when we are pronouncing it, we pronounce or we hear only 2 letter sounds. So now let's read out these special words and see how they sound. Okay, children? Sounds R, bar. Sounds sounds a. So now let's see the words. Bar, car, far. You can hear only the 2 sounds. Tar. Now let's see the next line. We don't say. We say Jaw. Jaw. Law. Raw. Saw. Now AY letters. BAY, bay. You can hear only B and A sound. DAY, day. Here you can hear only D and A sound. MAY, may. You can hear only M and A sound. PAY, pay. You can hear only P and A sound. So that's the reason they are called as special words. Now let's go to the next page and do some exercises. We have to look at the pictures and fill in the blanks. Okay. What is the first picture? It is mat. What is the spelling of mat? How do we spell mat? Mat. Next one is map. Map. Next one is man. Man. Cap. Cat. Tap. Van. Bat. Bag. Rat. After finishing the part A, we will go to the part B. Here we have to write the rhyming words which are given in the hint box on your right hand side. So had, sad, ham, pam, rat, sat, nag, tag, van, pan, car, bar, day, may, jaw, raw. Here in these words, children, you can see the ending are same. AD, AM, AT, and so on. So that's the reason they are called as rhyming words. Rhyming words are those words which have the same ending letters. Okay, children. Now let's move on to the next page. Here, let's see. We have to write the first letter of the picture to form a word. One has been done for us. The first picture is fish. Fish starts from F. Next picture is apple. Apple first letter is A. Then the next picture is tap. Tap starts from T. T forms fat. So in the same way we have to do the remaining 3 examples. Like this. Okay, children. So practice reading every day. You have to read these words every day. Okay, practice reading and writing. Thank you.